sad.
Oh, because you're sad if Kuya is angry.
Yes.
Alright.
So
You like mama you like mama dressing you up like a princess, or do you like mama dressing you like an Aki?
A fairy.
A princess.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What do you like? Day or night?
Day.
Day. What do you like? Star or sun?
Sun.
Oh, consistent kasi yan.
Consistent. Colors.
What do you like? Spaghetti or sabaw?
Hello.
Sabaw. Take off your hand, please.
Take off
It's
your
not
hand so that Papa
good.
can understand what you're saying.
What do you like? Juice? Juice or Didi? Didi. What do you like more? Spaghetti or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Alright.
There's some fruit and an apple fruit.
Alright.
And a red one.
What do you like more? Soda or water?
Soda.
Why soda?
I want to drink.
You want to drink soda than water?
Yes.
That's not good.
You should like water.
What do you like more? Playing or reading books?
Drink books.
Very
Reading
good. What do you like more?
Look at that.
Aki. What do you like more?
Um,
Cell phone or books?
Cell phone.
Ay, wow! That's not good.
I want cell phone.
Ay, you want cell phone.
Yes.
What do you like more?
Yum.
Papa going home or Papa going out home?
Home.
Okay.
Mama, get me. I'm done.
Yeah, you are.
Peekaboo. Sit like.
Let's take a